Hello everyone, welcome to new tutorial video of Applied Motion Products. In this tutorial video I will show and demonstrate how to use M5 servo drive and MDX Plus integrated servo motor using Rockwell PLC. So there are total 4 parts. In part 1 I will show the demo example setup that I'm using and how to download the application note and AOIs from AMP website. Part 2 I will use the Luna software to set the IP addresses of this device. In part 3 I will use Studio 5000 to create the PLC program. Part 4 I will use the AMP AOI for a various motion control. So here is the demo setup look like. I'm just using the HMI for visual representation. I have M5 servo drive and it is driving the linear actuator using the servo motor. MDX Plus integrated servo motor is connected to rotary disc. I'm using Allen Bradley CompactLogix PLC. These are all products connected through a static switch. Now let's download the app note. So I will go to Applied Motion Products website, and under the support I will click on application notes. So on application notes page I will use this AOI application note. So I will go ahead and download the application note 66. I will extract the file. Inside this app note I have EDS file for MDX Plus and M5 servo, then AOI manual, example PLC programs, and it contains all the AOI that user can import in any Studio 5000 and RSLogix 5000 software. That is the end of the part 1 tutorial. Thank you.